is intertwined, right? So as you're evaluating your budget, you're still setting goals, right? So the idea behind this is to get an idea of where you're at with your finances. You may be at level 3, you may be at level 1. At the end of the day, what matters is that you know where you're at and you're doing something towards working towards paying off your debts or towards working to become a better person financially, right? These are just some websites that I found that can help you guys figure out your financial health. Both of them are the same thing. At the end of this presentation, if you guys want, I can put the link in the chat and you can take those quizzes on your own to get an idea of where you are at financially. Okay. I would suggest you do one of the quizzes. It's really, really helpful and it shows you what you can do, and what you're lacking so that you can become healthier financially.